Hello everyone, I am Swati Dayal here. Feeling a little light in the wallet this week? Don't worry, me too. But let me tell you something that'll brighten your day. Our incredible startups just scored some serious cash injections. Did you know India is the world's third largest startup ecosystem? That's a lot of brilliant minds changing the game. So buckle up because we are diving into the heart of that innovation with TIE's Funding Index. Let's shift gears and head into the world of agriculture. Agri Electric just got a fresh injection of cash from our ventures. First Care platform with rupees 1 crore in funding, they are all set to revolutionize agri-tech. This is our venture's 221st investment, bringing the total portfolio to a whopping $54 million. Exciting time ahead for sustainable farming. Who else is looking forward to a greener future? Shifting gears to electric mobility, Prosperity just secured $2 million to supercharge EV financing. Led by BNext and joined by global investors, Prosperity is making electric vehicles more accessible. Think of them as the green fairy godmother of EVs, sprinkling financial magic to help you ditch those gas guzzlers for eco-friendly rides. If you are a tea lover, this one's for you. Freshleaf, a premium tea brand, just brewed up rupees 1 crore in funding from Inflection Point Ventures. This cash infusion will help expand the delightful blends and elevate your tea drinking experience. Cheers to that. Now let's get physical. Portal, a digital fitness and wellness tech company, just scored a whopping $3 million. With support from Bharat Innovation Fund and Kalari Capital, they are set to pump up their AI systems and develop cutting-edge strength training equipment. The future of fitness is looking awesome. Feeling like your apps are trapped in a separate silos? Unify Apps is here to help with $11 million in funding. Led by Elevation Capital, this AI-based platform integrates your apps for a seamless workflow. Imagine an AI matchmaker for your apps, harmonizing everything into a smooth operation. Tech revolution. Anyone? Let's shift focus to financial inclusion. Save Group just received $13 million to empower rural communities. With funding from Incofin India Progress Fund and Much Invest, they are expanding their microfinance and housing loans. Save Group is breaking down financial barriers, paving the way for a brighter future in rural India. Students, it's time to rejoice. Super Kalam, your personal AI study buddy, has just raised $2 million. Backed by Y Combinator and Funders Club, they are making exam prep smarter with personalized study plans. No more blind memorization. Super Kalam targets your weaknesses and supercharges your strengths. Study smarter, not harder. Are you tired of those endless one-time passwords? OTP Less is your hero with $3.5 million in new funding. Led by SIDBI, they are simplifying logins with innovative tech. Over 5,000 companies are already on board, making authentication a breeze. Say goodbye to OTP headaches. Are you dreaming of higher education but worried about the cost? Propel just landed $25 million in debt-to-fuel student loans. Partnering with major financial institutions, they are offering flexible options to make education more affordable. Propelled is turning academic dreams into reality for thousands of students. The EV industry is about to get a major boost. Battery Smart just charged up with $45 million in funding. Backed by Acacia Inclusion Limited and others, they are expanding the battery as a service model. The future of electric transportation is looking bright, folks. Last but not the least, let's visit the fields. Nico Robotics secured $13 million to innovate in sustainable farming with AI-powered cameras that reduce the chemical waste by 90%. They are making a real difference for farmers and the environment. Now that's what we call smart farming. So that's a wrap up on this week's Funding Frenzy. Remember, smart investing fuels innovation. Keep hustling with your game-changing ideas. you could be next on TIE's Funding Index. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for your weekly startup fix. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.